So then what's the difference between a post and a page? The easiest, most core difference here is that a post is for continued dialogue or monologue, however you use your blog, but it's a continued source of information that changes and grows, grouped together by topic. A page is a destination. A page is the end-all, be-all, so to speak, of what it is that you're talking about. It could be your contact form. It could be your About Us page. It could be where we're located page. It could be classes if you use your blog to do classes. And if you want to have information, general information about your classes, you could put it there. So the page is more stationary, and the posts are more flowing and growing and developing. So that's the core difference there, and that's how you need to think about it. Now, I just realized we don't have any pictures in any of our posts or our pages. So if you notice, what I just did, I'll show you that again. I just clicked where it says Upload Insert. I have the option to add an image, add a video, or add audio. Pretty cool, right? Or other, just choose my media. Well, I'm going to go ahead. The steps are the same for all of this, whether it's video or whether it's an audio file. I'm going to go ahead and add an image. I can choose from my computer, from a URL, so if I have a link to the image and I know where it's at, I can do it from there, or from my media library, which are images that I've already uploaded. So I'm going to choose from my computer and find an image. There we go. Look at that. Cute picture. I'm going to center it on my page. I can give it a new name. I can give it alternate text. I can put a caption or description with it. I generally don't, but you can. Choose where you want it to be. Full size, large, medium, thumbnail, whichever. I made it full size and insert to post. Notice that we are on a page, but it says post. Don't let that confuse you. Full size, I don't make my images too big. If you do, it's going to take a very long time for your pages to load. So be aware of that. Insert into post. There we go. Update. Let's go look at our changes. Alright, so I'm going to go back to my working tab then. So the last thing that we're going to do is change the look and feel of our website. And to do that in your self-hosted WordPress blog, on the left-hand side, you would simply go to where it says Appearance and choose one of these options. Show you here real quick though. If you don't have those options showing up, hover over it, do the down arrow, and there they are. And to change the look and feel, you're going to go to Themes. It's like putting on a brand new dress. You can choose a theme that you have by clicking Activate from your available themes. And then that will show you that it's your current theme. Or you can click on Install Themes and go find a new outfit for your website to wear. You can filter by terms. So I just typed in short and put the search button. Or you can simply not put in any search criteria at all. You can choose by colors or columns or widths or subject. However you want to do it, you set the criteria and click your search button. When you have results, you just choose one that you like. I'm going to go with this purple pastels. Click the Install button. You'll get a small preview, and then click the Install Now button. Here you'll need to have your username and password, and this is your FTP username and password, not the password and username that you use to log in to your blog. Okay, this is a different set of criteria here. When you have that information, you can type it in. Then you would simply click the Proceed button once you have that information in. And then WordPress will go through a step of downloading, unpacking, installing, and then we'll give you a success message. Tells you what was installed, And then it gives you the option of taking a few actions here. You can preview, activate, or return to the theme installer. I'm going to go ahead and click on Activate. And now it says that my current theme is the purple pastels. So let's go ahead and see that in action. I'm going to go back to my Live tab, Control F5 to refresh my website. And there we have it. And that's what it looks like. Now let's say that I decided I didn't really want that up there. I want to take a look at the dum-dum. Just simply click on the Activate. Now that's in my current theme. Go back to the live site, Control F5 to refresh. And there's that theme. But ultimately, I think I like the one with the trees, so I go back to my Work tab, click on my Activate, go to the current theme, go back to my live site, Control F5 one more time, and we're back with our original theme because that's the one that I like. So that is it. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial and gotten a lot out of it, and this should be enough to get you started with your WordPress blog. I do want to thank you for taking the time to go through this one. Please do let me know how it was. Leave a comment on the lynxtdc YouTube channel, or you can visit me at RebeccaMcGrane.com. If you go to /WP intro, that's RebeccaMcGrane.com /WPINTRO. You can watch this tutorial there and leave me a message on that page as well, however you'd like to do it. But I would love to get your feedback, so hopefully you'll take a couple of minutes and let me know how it was. Have a great day.